Welcome to another edition of Fastcast. In this cast, we will be looking at some of the requirements when creating your DHS SBIR proposal and some key pieces of information you will need to be aware of.
Today, we will talk about the Department of Homeland Security's proposal creation process via their SBIR portal found at sbir2.st.dhs.gov. Once you have completed your registration for the DHS portal, you can log in and access the dashboard. From here, you can see the proposals you have started are submitted and add a new proposal. When you click on Add New Proposal, you will be asked to select a phase, the solicitation that you are currently applying to, and the topic you are submitting a proposal to. When you first access your Create a Proposal, you will notice that DHS has 4 sections that are required for a proposal submission. 2 of these sections, the cover sheet and cost proposal, are generated through the system via information you fill out in those particular sections. The other 2 sections, proposal uploads and briefing chart, require you to upload a specifically formatted file for each of those sections. For the cover sheet, you will need to provide information about the business, information on the PI, or principal investigator, and all team members who are designated as key personnel, information on any consultants or subcontractors, and proposal overview sections of a technical abstract, project aims, and summary of results, which all have strict character limitations. Like most agencies, DHS requires you to break down your cost proposal into direct labor, other direct cost line items, an overhead rate, general and administrative rates, and a fee or profit. One thing to note when doing your cost proposal is there is a mandatory travel to DHS headquarters for a briefing day. You can find an overview of this requirement in the solicitation. The bulk of your proposal will come in the next 2 sections, your proposal upload and briefing chart. Your briefing chart is a 1-page quad chart, and a sample of this can be found in the solicitation. On this chart, you should have a picture or diagram of the concept you are proposing, the relevance of the product and the eventual commercialization strategy, the technical objectives and work plan, and the milestones and team overview. You must also ensure that all data on the chart is non-proprietary and unclassified. For a Phase 1 submission, your technical proposal is limited to 20 pages and has 11 sections. These sections cover items like the identification and significance of the problem or opportunity, which asks you to recap the problem being addressed, define the intended solution and the importance of the work being proposed, a Phase 1 work plan, which requires you to supply the how, when, where, and why of all tasks under the Phase 1 work, including their validation, deliverables, and task hours, and potential post applications, which ask you to define whether or why the product has either potential commercial application in the outside world or within the operations of the government. This is just a small sampling of the requirements in the Phase 1 technical proposal. More guidance on creating your proposal package, including where to find the required forms, how to access proposal examples, and compliance matrices to determine you are meeting all requirements, can be provided by NMFAS staff.